now on the broadcast is Air India's passenger service system provider faced a sophisticated cyber attack in February this year, leading to the leak of personal data of 45 lakh passengers, which included passengers from across the world. This includes the personal data, the name, date of birth, contact information, passport information, ticket information, and credit card data, which was registered between August 11th, 2011 and February 3rd, 2021. It has been leaked of a certain number of Air India's passengers. Joining me on the broadcast is my colleague Sumi to give us more details on the cyber attack. Sumi, take us through the extent of the cybersecurity attack and what must passengers do, those who have flown with the Maharaja in the span of the last 10 years. This is the biggest cyber security attack.
Absolutely, Crispino. Air India has been massively, unfortunately, hit by this massive cyber attack in which the personal, crucial details of as many as 45 lakh passengers have been compromised who had travelled between 26 August 2011 to 20 February 2021. And this is the massive attack that Air India has witnessed, in fact, in the past as well. This is the massive compromise of the personal data. And as you said, the personal data included the name, date of birth, the passport info, and also the credit card details as well. I would request my video journalist Bhishma to kindly pan the camera and show the facade of the Air India building, in which no movement is taking place as of now because Delhi has been under a lockdown and Air India office has been closed of that matter. But because the personal data has been compromised, we reached out to the spokesperson of Air India who spoke to us about how at length they have been trying to prevent this entire massive cyber attack reach personal information of the passengers. In fact, all the data that have been compromised, they have requested all the passengers, they have given them specific mails, pertaining to the personal information and informing them that this breach has happened. And in fact, they have also informed all the passengers to change their passwords. And when it comes to the credit card details, the CVC and the CVV number hasn't been compromised because the user processor could not hold the information, and which is why it is certainly a good news in this regard that the credit card details haven't been compromised to such an extent where where the security of certain passengers would be compromised. However, this is certainly a massive breach and Air India would come out with more measures. But as of now, what the passengers are requested via mails by the Air India company is that they need to change their password, they need to change their information as far as they can to avoid any financial loss, to be on a safer side. And they have actually contacted the experts also, and the experts are right now looking at the intensity of the breach at the moment, and also basically leakage proofing all of the details that have been passed on to the cyber attack. 45 lakh passengers have been, the data of the 45 lakh passengers have been compromised, and people who have received their mails is the official, information that they have received from the Air India company that yes, the data has been compromised of those passengers who had travelled between 26 August 2011 to 20 February 2021. This is the exact, number of dates between which the passengers who have travelled via Air India should be looking out for mails in their spam.
Right. So the passengers have to change their passwords, but also right now what we're learning at this point of time as a statement by Air India is that the last type of data, that is the CVV, CVC numbers, are not held by the data processor. Certainly good news there. That has not been hacked, as you rightly pointed out. But what concerns are there right now among the passengers who are watching the broadcast right now and looking at the events unfolding? Take us through the investigation at this point of time into this latest attack on Air India's server.
Yes, as far as the investigation is concerned, Air India has been constantly in touch with the experts and they are looking into the intensity of this breach. And in fact, as a security measure, the data has been protected and the cyber attack is further, the cyber attack has been further prevented from happening. But unfortunately, 45 lakh people have lost their personal information to the perpetrators. And that is something that all these 45 lakh passengers now need to look out for. And as a precautionary measure, all of them have been suggested to change their passwords for the temporary use to avoid any sort of financial loss in the future. However, the Air India spokesperson also said that the CVC and the CVV numbers haven't been compromised. But yes, the personal information and the licensing of the credit cards are still being taken care of, and in fact the licensing will ensure that the user processor which was not holding the CVV and CVC numbers are certainly compromised. So yes, the licensing of the credit card is taking place. The investigation is constantly being done by the experts hired by the Air India company, and they are certainly preventing it from happening in the future, and they will certainly make it leakage proof in the future, because this is the biggest breach that has happened in Air India, the data breach that has happened in Air India, unfortunately, in the recent times.
Certainly the biggest news of the day. Thank you so much, Sumit, for joining us on the broadcast.